Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove iPhone voicemail red dot. So first of all, go ahead to your browser right here, and if you want to get rid of the red dot on the voicemail, go to the settings, notification, and phone, and then turn off the batch app button. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my to my settings, notification, and I'm gonna find the phone right here. Okay, scroll a little bit down, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle off the allow notifications, and you're gonna and you will not receive the red dot on your iPhone. And before you do anything, if you want to find the voicemail section, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna go ahead to your phone right here, and basically you're gonna be able to see the call forwarding, and you're gonna be able to set your voicemail up, and you're gonna be able to toggle it on and enter a number so you can activate the voicemail section. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media.